Today, I am thrilled to introduce 14 amazing Amazon household gadgets that will make cleaning chores much easier. These tools are not just about convenience. They are about elevating your cleaning game to a whole new level. This electric air duster is a high-performance cleaning tool equipped with a powerful 80,000 RPM motor and 4 adjustable speed gears, making it perfect for a variety of tasks. Whether you need to clean your car interior and exterior, remove dust from your keyboard, or inflate camping equipment, this versatile air duster gets the job done quickly and efficiently. With its 4,500 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers extended usage, making it a reliable choice for home, office, and outdoor activities. This magnetic window cleaner is the ultimate tool for hassle-free, streak-free window cleaning. Designed with powerful internal magnets, it securely locks both sides of the cleaner through the glass, allowing you to effortlessly clean the inside and outside of your windows simultaneously. This innovative device is ideal for double-glazed windows and is perfect for hard-to-reach areas, ensuring a crystal-clear finish every time. With its durable cleaning pads, the glider provides efficient and thorough cleaning while minimizing effort. Suitable for use on home windows, high-rise buildings, conservatories, and more, this magnetic cleaner makes maintaining spotless windows safe and easy. The PetSafe Scoop-Free Crystal Pro is an automatic self-cleaning cat litter box designed for convenience and hygiene. It eliminates the need for daily scooping, cleaning, or refilling for weeks, giving you more time to enjoy with your pet. Its advanced odor control system absorbs urine and dehydrates solid waste, ensuring your home remains fresh and clean. The top-entry hooded cover and low tracking crystals help keep litter inside the box, maintaining pristine floors and minimizing mess. With leak protection features and disposable trays lined with plastic, cleanup is effortless. Additionally, the integrated health counter tracks your cat's usage, allowing you to monitor their health and catch potential issues early. This gap dust cleaner is the perfect solution for cleaning hard-to-reach areas in your home. Designed with a long, retractable handle, it easily extends to reach narrow gaps and tight spaces, such as under appliances, between cabinets, and along window sills. The set includes 2 replaceable microfiber dusting cloths that effectively capture and trap dust, dirt, and debris, ensuring a thorough and efficient clean. This cleaning tool is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for tackling those tricky spots without bending or straining. This dust cleaning slime gel is a fun and effective way to clean hard-to-reach places. This versatile cleaning gel easily picks up dust, dirt, crumbs, and debris from tight spots like keyboards, car vents, remote controls, and other electronic devices. Its soft, malleable texture allows it to conform to cracks and crevices, lifting away grime without leaving any residue behind. Reusable and easy to use, simply press the slime onto the dirty surface, let it absorb the dust, and peel it away. Your surfaces will be left spotless. This innovative tool addresses all baseboard challenges, including uneven floors and chunky messes, allowing for deep cleaning without the need for crouching or kneeling. The quick-change baseboard slider attaches in seconds and adapts to any baseboard height, making it easy to mop uneven surfaces. Its 100% microfiber chenille fingers conform to intricate surfaces like baseboards, crown molding, door frames, and air vents. You can easily adjust the baseboard slider to clean baseboards of any height, and by removing the slider, the cleaner transforms into a versatile mop for multitasking. This large section laundry hamper is a spacious and efficient solution for organizing and sorting your laundry. It is divided into 3 sections with a waterproof lining to prevent unpleasant odors, allowing you to conveniently sort dark, colored, and light clothes. With its large capacity, this hamper is ideal for families or anyone needing extra storage space. Designed with durable fabric and reinforced handles, it's sturdy enough to hold heavy loads and easy to carry to the laundry room. This hand vacuum is designed for powerful and efficient cleaning, featuring a high-speed, brushless motor that delivers impressive suction power. Weighing just 1.4 pounds, it offers ultra-lightweight maneuverability for effortless cleaning. Its sleek charging dock ensures quick access and fast charging, so the vacuum is always ready to use. The one-touch empty feature allows you to dispose of debris with a simple button press, keeping your hands clean. An LED indicator on the control panel displays the charging status and remaining battery life, while the ergonomic handle design provides comfort and enhanced control during use. This electric cordless lint remover is your go-to tool for keeping your clothing and fabrics looking fresh and new. Featuring a powerful motor, this portable lint remover effectively removes lint, fuzz, and pills from various fabrics, including sweaters, coats, and upholstery. Its cordless design allows for easy maneuverability, so you can tackle any garment or surface without the hassle of tangled cords. With a built-in rechargeable battery, it offers convenience and portability for on-the-go touch-ups. This carpet and upholstery cleaner is a compact and powerful cleaning solution designed to tackle tough stains and messes on carpets, rugs, and upholstery. With its lightweight design, this portable cleaner allows you to easily maneuver around your home, making it perfect for quick cleanups and deep cleaning sessions. Equipped with powerful suction, it effectively lifts and removes dirt, pet hair, and stubborn stains from a variety of surfaces. The easy-to-fill water tank and simple-to-use controls ensure that you can get started on your cleaning tasks without any hassle. These silicone dishwashing gloves are a revolutionary kitchen essential that combines cleaning power with convenience. Made from high-quality, food-grade silicone, these gloves feature soft, bristle-like surfaces that effectively scrub dishes, pots, and pans while protecting your hands from hot water and harsh detergents. With their waterproof and heat-resistant properties, these gloves are not only great for dishwashing but also ideal for cleaning surfaces, bathing pets, and even handling hot food. This cleaning brush is an essential tool for tackling dirt and debris in hard-to-reach areas around your home. Designed with a long, narrow head and soft bristles, this brush effortlessly fits into tight spaces such as between furniture, along baseboards, and in corners, ensuring no spot is left untouched. Whether you're dusting off appliances, reaching into crevices in your car, or cleaning delicate items, this versatile brush is perfect for a variety of surfaces. This high-pressure steam cleaner heats up in just 15 seconds. It effectively removes stubborn dirt and grease from various surfaces, making daily cleaning effortless. Featuring 6 speeds and 3 interchangeable brush heads, steel, plastic, and large plastic, the handheld steamer includes a 2.2 meters steam pipe and extension tube for reaching tight spaces. Its large water tank allows for up to 1 hour of continuous use without refilling, enhancing cleaning efficiency. This microfiber cleaning brush is a must-have tool for maintaining clean and dust-free blinds and windows. Featuring a unique, flexible design, this brush easily reaches between slats and into corners, ensuring thorough cleaning without damaging your blinds. The soft microfiber material captures dust, dirt, and allergens, making it perfect for both wooden and fabric blinds. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it allows for efficient cleaning with minimal effort. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for extended periods. Keep your home looking pristine with the blind window microfiber cleaning brush, the ultimate solution for hassle-free cleaning. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.